Hi, it's Tenerife Island by Madre, and today is festive day, the day of Canary Islands, Dia de Canarias. And I'll show you the costumes first. Each island has its own national costume. So first island is La Gomera. There is a cool purple skirt with daisies. I think it's the prettiest one I've ever seen. Next comes the island named Gran Canaria. The striped colors of men have already gone, and then the costume of more rich citizens. Of course, the clothes are more expensive and refined. What a gorgeous multicolor skirt. This one is Tenerife Island outfit. It has a corset already. And Fuerteventura is the most unassuming of all. The suit is designed in a simple style and dark colors, and this one is more rich people already. So, all the outfits you can see here, they are different, but have common idea. So of course we went to the store to buy a national costume, and that's what we found here. A vest and shorts made of felt. It's very dense material and it's very hot in the heat in such clothes, but more comfortable in the north of the island. So streets are decorated. The flags of Spain and Canary Islands, colorful flags and garlands hanging everywhere. Contests are held for children and adults, various fun competitions, music and songs are played. People are dancing and having fun, smiling. Today is a day off, of course. The performance will take place in school, and I'll show you. So you see kids, they are playing. So, performance begins with the children bringing balloons in the colors of the flag of the Canary Islands and pictures of all islands included in the Canary Islands. Then everyone takes turns showing different dances. First, the smallest participants danced. These are children from infantile, their ages from 4 to 6 years. Each island has not only its own clothes, but also its own dance and its own music. As a rule, ancient music is played at this festival, which was performed on small guitars called timbre, very similar to Mexican small guitars called ukulele. So this is already primary school, is the third grade, and the age of children is 9 years old. The dance is already more complex and also belongs to one of the islands. Children prepare for this dance in advance. For several weeks before this day, almost every day in school, they learn movements of national dance and lyrics of songs. Well, as always, the final point of the event is the dance of teachers. So let's enjoy it, and in the end I will explain everything. because it's completely different and very attractive dance. Look at such colorful clothes. How beautiful and feminine women look with such large skirts. Did you know that there are several petticoats under this skirt? And it's actually very heavy, difficult to wear it. And men have put on national shorts and felt vests over linen or cotton shorts and trousers. All these clothes look a little weird in this heat, but you need to remember the history and understand that the inhabitants of the northern parts of the islands dressed like that. It's much cooler and windy there. So we should understand traditions. And here is another interesting point. The local population has always raised sheep, and it is from sheep wool that felt is made, and it is felt that is used for men's shorts and vests and jackets here, because sheep's wool repels poisonous spiders. You know that there are a lot of spiders dangerous to humans, even deadly ones that live in such climate. So the first settlers were very smart and experienced people. And in those ancient times, there has been a tradition to use sheep's wool everywhere to sew such interesting clothes, native one. And you can imagine it is handmade, and each such skirt or vest is hand embroidered. Therefore, these clothes are expensive and are only worn for a holiday. In everyday life, darker colors were worn. Women necessarily wore an apron over a skirt and used it as a hand towel while doing housework and cooking. Hats were of two versions, made of straw and felt. Straw hats perfectly protect from the sun, and felt hats protect from wind and even rain. It happens sometimes, you know already. So the day was wonderful, very beautiful, with all these colorful and attractive clothes. Thank you for being with me. Bye.